What's up everybody, it's Sean here and I'm back today to give you guys a review of the Nike Dunk Low Retro Premium in the Cheetah colorway. This pair was part of the 2-shoe animal pack which released back in June for a retail price of $110 US or $145 here in Canada. So even though these dropped over a month ago, they randomly restocked online at Haven, which is a Canadian boutique, so that's where I managed to grab my pair for retail. So alongside the Cheetah Dunk, they also released a zebra colorway as well, but I wasn't really feeling that one. My eyes were definitely set on this one since the beginning. So diving straight in, overall this is your classic Nike Dunk Low silhouette. The official colorway for this shoe is Beach, Baroque Brown, Sail, and Canvas. So diving straight in right into the details. So the base layer of this shoe, as you can see on the toe box, this is covered in this cream colored leather. We have this perforated look which is common across all your dunks, and then surrounding the outer edge of the toe box, this is covered in this shaggy suede, which incorporates these darker spots throughout, which are inspired by the spots you see on a cheetah. This same spotted suede covers the eyelets of the shoe as well, and then beneath this on the quarter panel, we have more of that smooth cream colored leather, but overlaid on top, we have a leather swoosh done in this Baroque brown color. Moving downwards, we have more of that spotted suede which wraps around the bottom of the back of the heel. And then above this, there's more of that cream leather, and at the very top of the heel, this is accented with this brown colored leather with Nike embroidered across in white. For the laces, so there's only one pair of laces, and they're your standard flat style lace in cream. Underneath this, we have this thin nylon tongue, which is surrounded on the edges with this brown colored nylon piping. And at the very top, we have this tag with Nike branding in brown. Taking out the insoles, these come with your standard foam insoles. It's lined in this cream color on the top with Nike branding stamped on the heel in brown. So the upper of the dunk sits atop the solid rubber cup sole, and then turning the shoe over to the bottom, here we have your classic dunk outsole. So this is done in this brown finish. We have this circular traction pattern on the forefoot and Nike branding right in the center. So for those wondering about sizing, so I'm a true size 10, slightly on the wider side. I got these in a size 10 and they fit me great. I know some people for recent 2021 dunks, if they want more of a snug fit, some people do go a half size down, but because of the width of my feet and just my preference on how shoes fit, I'm totally fine with sticking true to size with these. Moving on to comfort, so these feel like any of your other dunks, so that means it's going to feel pretty firm on feet. There's not too much from a softness and cushioning standpoint, or as far as an everyday casual use shoe goes, it's going to be perfectly fine. The Nike Dunk is a shoe with pretty much minimal tech within it, so I'd say it feels like any of your other retro-inspired shoes from the early to mid-80s. Last but not least, in terms of the quality and craftsmanship, so first off, material quality was kind of split. So the leather, again, similar to a lot of 2021 dunks, the leather quality was poor. The leather has that same plastic, hard, stiff feeling to it that a lot of recent 2021 dunks have, so that of course was disappointing. However, the suede surrounding the toe box and all that stuff, this felt a lot better than the actual leather, and I'd even say the suede quality was pretty good. So while the materials weren't the best, the craftsmanship I felt like it was pretty solid. I had no issues with my pair, so if you can get past the poor quality leather, then this shoe, all in all, was pretty decent. So with all that being said now, let's lace these up and I'll show you guys how these Cheetah Dunks look on feet. All in all, this is a pretty solid dunk release from Nike. It's not the greatest in material quality, but the inclusion of the suede definitely helped it a bit, and the overall design and colorway of the shoe is one that I'm definitely feeling. I think with this shoe being predominantly cream based with hits of brown, it's a pretty easy shoe to pull off, and I can see this working very well during the fall or autumn season. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about these Nike Dunk Lows in this Cheetah colorway. Between this one and the zebras, which of the two are you guys preferring more? And for those of you guys watching, did you guys manage to grab these? Did you take an L or did you pass altogether? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't yet. You can follow me on IG at esco8. Check me out on Twitter at sean.go. and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you so much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one.